Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. Today I'm going to talk about the color of PVC tarpaulin. We can provide customized colors for PVC tarpaulin according to the customer's request for different applications. Usually, we confirm the color with our customer in two ways. Firstly, and it is the best way, that you can send us your actual sample. We will make a color counter sample for your confirmation. Secondly, we can use the Pantone standard color for confirmation. Of course, the cost of varied color PVC tarpaulin is different. When you inquire about PVC tarpaulin, please clearly tell us what your requirement of color is. Then we will quote you our best price according to your detail. Keep in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.